Welcome to Green Biz Studio. I'm John Davies and I'm here today with Brandon Hayashi, Regional Manager for Opterra. Welcome, Brandon.
Thank you very much for having me.
So Brandon, you've been a great partner of ours in putting together the microgrids for VERGE Hawaii. So tell me what's unique about this year's version of the microgrid?
Yeah, so this one, we have a number of different components. So every year, obviously, in partnership with you folks at VERGE, try to make each microgrid better as well as more relevant to where it's located. And we have some very interesting technology out there that is actually a first in the island, such as the Smart Flower, which essentially is a PV module that looks like a bunch of petals that folds upon itself. So very impactful both visually as well as the production of kWh.
Very cool. So one of the things we've been talking about a lot here at the conference is how much has happened so far, but how much more needs to happen in order to reach Hawaii's 2045 goal of 100% renewables. Give me a sense when it comes to microgrids, where we've been, where we are today, and then where are we going? What's the future look like?
Yes, so there's been a lot of talk in the past, and you need to have those discussions, right? There's everything around regulation, legislation, financing, business models, and so forth, technology, obviously, to be able to enable a discussion to turn into reality. We're now at the stage right now where we're taking some of those discussions, technologies, financing mechanisms, and so forth, and turning that into such. So we have real projects that we can actually point to, rather than projects that we're envisioning what could be reality in the future. So we're there now. And I think where we're going in the future is just the enabling of that. So all the things I just mentioned, it's about enabling faster, bigger growth. And again, looking at microgrids as not a monolithic solution, but as a very compartmentalized at some cases. Are they a remote island? Are they a facilities grid-connected business? Are they a large mining facility? And so on and so forth. Really determining what a microgrid's needs are, depending upon what the customer's needs are.
And so one of those great examples is all the work you're doing with the Department of Education. And last year you talked about some of that, but now is there action?
Right. So, we are doing both renewable energy, energy efficiency, microgrids, and standards aligned curriculum with project-based learning opportunities. And really it's that microgrid component, right, that we have completed the design and now we're moving forward on the financing so that hopefully next year when we come back, we can talk about what we just did.
Or maybe we can get some of the students to come and tell us how cool their microgrid is.
For sure.
All right, I've been here with Brandon Hayashi, Regional Manager for Opterra. Thanks, Brandon.
Thank you.